Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Lazada account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I assume you've already downloaded the Lazada app from your Player App Store. Now after that, what you want to do is go ahead and open it up. And now you need to select your country. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to choose Philippines. And now from here, you want to click on Allow Lazada to send you notifications. You can allow or disallow. You'll get pop-ups appear, just click out of that. And now you'll be brought to the For You page inside Lazada. From here, you can see on the bottom, you've got For You, Like, Messages, Cart, and Account. What you need to do is click onto Account. And now at the top, you've got a login for a chance at first order benefits. So go ahead and click on Sign Up because you want to create a new account. And you've got a few different ways to sign up. So you can sign up using your phone number, or you can use your Viber. Or alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook account or Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Google account. Make sure to read the terms of use and privacy policy, then click on agree. Now from here, it will redirect you to, it will automatically sign you up and sign you in. And if you get this message, just go ahead and click on unlock account. And then you want to add in your new mobile number. And then you need to verify your number, or you can send code via WhatsApp. After that, you'll get a code that you need to use to verify your account. And after that is done, you have successfully created a new account in Lazada.